Hi viewers, this video gives a demonstration about unsupervised learning, K-means clustering. Initially, we have to import the pandas package for data frame purpose. Then we are connecting the Google Colab. Then we are mounting the drive which is having my data set. The data set is cluster.data.csv. I am reading the CSV file by using the pandas package pd.read underscore CSV. Then just I am displaying the first five rows from the given data set. So here this data set is having two features, x1 and x2, as I explained in the theory class. So which is having the three two features, x1 comma x2, just which is printing the data set which is having 99 rows and two features, the data shape. And I would like to display on the scatter plot. So for scatter plot I am importing the matplotlib. So in the scatter plot I am using all the samples, first column x1 first feature x1, and all the samples x2 feature x2 feature. So this is my data set. Data set is displaying um, in this manner. Then I am going to apply the k-means clustering. So k-means clustering, which is importing from the sklearn package. Here I am giving manually number of clusters equal to 5 randomly, right? I am selecting in this given 99 data points 5 cluster centers, 5 cluster centers. That 5 cluster centers randomly selected. Here then I am training the data set by using the k-means clustering. Now which is selecting the 5 cluster centers. So first cluster center is the data point 62.924, 101.98, and second cluster center 53.17 comma 71.28. Third cluster center the data point 52.07, 83.236, and cluster number 5 the data point 36.61 comma 50.311. So this one is feature number 1, first column. Second column is the feature number 2, x2. Then from this, since I have given the number of cluster is 5, I will have 5 different clusters. So all the ones belongs to one cluster, and all two data points belongs to one cluster, and all three are belongs to fourth cluster, all fours are belongs to fifth cluster. So here just I want to plot which are the cluster centers, which are the data points selected as a cluster center. You look at this, the cluster centers. Here I have selected this data points. So here this one is approximately 30 to 51, okay, in that range. Okay, this one, right, 36 to 36.61 to 50.3. Okay, this one. Okay, this is the x is 5 scale, 40 45, so it will be 36 approximately. This one, another cluster center, it may be approximately 42 comma 62. Anything is available, 42, yes, you look at here, approximately 41.8 comma 61.574. So these are the data points selected as a cluster center. After that, uh, after that, based upon our model means k-means clustering algorithm. K-means cluster algorithm is applying the distance matrix and assigning the cluster members data points to the corresponding clusters, the whichever cluster center is close to that. You look at here, the dark violet color belongs to this cluster, and here the green color belongs to this cluster, and blue colors are belongs to one cluster, and this brown color belongs to one cluster and red color belongs to one cluster. Okay. Then manually I am changing the number of clusters to same process. Here these data points are selected randomly as a cluster center initially. Then based upon that, you look at that only two clusters are formed. Only two clusters are formed with respect to this purple color and red color. Then I selected as cluster 3. So these three data points are selected as a cluster center. Then you look at that, three clusters are formed. So here every time we are checking the k value with trial and error. Then what is the best method? For that we can apply the elbow method. So for that we have to import ke elbow visualizer. ke elbow visualizer. Okay, k means k elbow. K elbow visualizer, which is from the uh, class yellow brick dot cluster. So here I am applying that k elbow visualizer. The range is from k value. K value we are starting from 2 comma 18. 2 comma 18. So it will keep on check 2 comma 18. So here when you are checking which is the better k value, you look at here. So here this 6 is the elbow value. LK elbow, it look like a elbow. It look like a elbow. So for k equal to 2, this is the score. Okay, for k equal to 3, k equal to 4, for k equal to 16, we are getting the score like this. So here the elbow appearance is at k equal to 6. So here then we can use the 6 number of clusters is the optimal k value. Then these 6 data points are finalized as a cluster centers. So now you look at that, we got 6 clusters, which is the optimal number of clusters by using the k-means clustering algorithm. So with this I conclude the session. Thank you.